go to support Florida Car Show at flcarshow.com.
Flame, metal flake, awesome paint job, Pro Street, big chrome bumper, bug catchers. Look at this TBS supercharger, red, awesome. Look, got a fuel injection carburetors going on over there. I don't know. Looks like electronic chokes. Oh yeah. Oh, we got all these lines over there. There's all kinds of stuff going on here. Really. Look at that. Look at that custom top of the fenders. Firewall painted to match. Steel braided hoses. Look at that. That thing is gorgeous. Your master brake over there. Look at this flames. Wow, right? Wow, wow, wow. Look at that. The race shift